Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you my big chop tutorial. So I did my big chop in 2011 and that's when this video was filmed, but there's still some relevant points in this video and tips on how I cut my own hair at home that I know will help others who plan to do their big chop in the near future. So I did want to go ahead and share this video here with you. I hope you enjoy it. Also, you'll also see my 1 month update and my very first flat iron after my big chop. And I was so excited to flat iron my hair. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of like a little backtrack to see where I started when I first cut off my hair. And for those who are wondering, I transitioned for 1 year exactly and did my big chop. So here you're seeing 1 year of hair growth. This is actually the first time that I have ever seen my natural hair besides baby pictures. I've been getting relaxers since I could remember. So this was pretty exciting for me. This day was kind of like life-changing. I was able to really be my true self once I cut off all the relaxed ends. And that might be dramatic to some people, but that's really how it felt. I just felt like myself and true to my identity. Like, I felt free. But enough rambling, let's go ahead and get into the video. You see the straight end? That's my relaxed hair. And then the curly part is my natural hair. So I'm going to be cutting right where the natural hair stops and the relaxed hair starts. So I'm gonna be cutting right here. This is what my hair looks like. You see like how they kind of clump together? I'm just going to take one little strand at a time like this and just snip. And you know, your hair got so many different shrinkage and patterns. You can't just take this and just cut it. Like, it don't work like that. And I'm also not going to stretch. I'm just going to just take each part like this and just cut. It's going to take me a while doing it like this, but I want a really nice cut, you know. I'm not going to shop. Just snip. And there goes my first piece. This is in the back, so I don't really have that much relaxed ends in the back. And then this is the hair that I cut. So I'm just going to do that all around. I kind of feel like I should cut a little bit more. Well, that little piece. But that's how I'm doing all around. And I did half of the bag so far. And this is what it looks like. Back, and now I'm going to do, okay, so what I decided to do was twist my hair up and then cut the very tip of each twist to make sure that I get all the relaxed ends out. This is what it looks like in the back. So I just twist it up. You can clearly see which part is relaxed and which part isn't. And then if you really can't tell, all you do is just smooth your hair out, and then the relaxed hair clumps together, and then you'll know exactly where to cut. So I just thought I should point that out because it's more wavy than it is curly. So if you just rub your hands across your hair like this, then all the hair will clump together. All the relaxed hair will clump together. And then you can see which part to cut. Yeah, so I'm just going to cut this part. And then,
not a game, it's a rich thing.